Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LIVENODING. In this episode, I will be sharing with you this node tree. It's basically another Boolean example using very similar example like the other day. But you can see as I play back, you can see it's kind of cutting and Booleans. It's working in the background. So this is the result. And I can change the seed. It's gonna change the whole scene. Same thing will happen with the second Boolean. So this is the default cube, and we have two cutters. With the Boolean, with the default cube, I have two Booleans, and for each Boolean, I use two different collections as a cutter, and each one of them is doing the difference, kind of like a subtracting areas from this default cube. Okay, so let's take a look. So this is what happened. Basically, we have two boxes in different size, and it's generating this cutter and putting it into collections, cutter and collection number 3. They are currently hidden. If I reveal them, this is the result. And you can actually keep the cutter, as they also can be useful. Maybe just merge them together. I think this is a very interesting example. And yeah, this is another use of Blender 2.92 alpha Boolean collections difference. All I need to provide is just a bunch of boxes that's smaller than the original default cube, and just randomizing it. And we always have a different results regardless, and this is like unlimited design structure. I think this is something that you might want to try using different geometry, but this is one way to get like really interesting result very quickly, even though it's pretty basic and simple, but the result is quite interesting, especially maybe if you are doing like, if you remesh it or adding bevel. If you remesh, you're gonna get something that looks like an ant's hive or something. And you can always randomize the seed to randomize the position and the scaling of the cube. On top of that, you have this. Apparently, for the second cutter, I could actually go smaller and randomize this a little bit further. It's possible. Like, I don't need to plug in this frame into this guy. I could have like 500 of little ones and make it smaller boxes. And you're gonna have different results. Yeah, I think, yeah. So this is an idea how the Boolean collections can work and create an interesting result using Spreadshirt nodes and Blender Boolean. All right. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.